If you want to learn how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood, the process is quick and straightforward. You're simply choosing to invest in dollars instead of purchasing full shares. Start by opening the stock or ETF you want to invest in. On the Stock Apple, tap Trade, then Buy. At the top, make sure the option is set to buy in dollars instead of buying in shares. This is what allows you to purchase a fraction of a share. Enter the amount you want to invest. Something like $5 works just fine. When you review the order, Robinhood will show you exactly what fraction of a full share that amount represents. If you're placing the order after hours, it will queue until the market opens, which is normal for dollar-based trades. Once everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. You've now bought a fractional piece of that stock. You can also set up recurring investments in the same place if you want to automatically buy fractional shares over time. And that's all there is to it. An easy way to invest smaller amounts without needing to purchase entire shares.